Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hyperlink to create interactive videos. So to get started, sign up for a free Hyperlink.com account and go into your account and click Create. From this Create menu, you can upload videos or you can use an existing video that you find on YouTube or another online source. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use the import from URL. And now I'll just include the URL of a video that I want to use. So now we have the video, and when I hit the play button, it'll play back. And let's say I want to hyperlink to something that appears in the video at this point. I'll now click on Add New Tag, and I can put in the URL that I want to direct people to. And I might say something like, check out bow clips. And we'll let that display for 10 seconds. If I click on that icon, I can change the color of the icon or change the style of the icon. So perhaps I want to use this red marker. Now let's go back to the video, and we'll see there's a little red marker in the video that people can click on, and they'll be directed to the website that I have specified. Now you can also include markers without writing in links and just have little notes pop up on the screen. And you'll see here there's a timestamp automatically applied to the tag or note as well. When I'm done with this, I'll just hit the save and exit. And if I want to share it with somebody with that interactive link in it, just click on the share button. You'll get the embed code. You'll also get the link that you can share as well. So that's how you can create interactive videos by using Hyperlink.com. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.